Okay, so it's Sunday morning. We've got this time next week. We're supposed to be racing in Hawkstone Park. These two redrocket Honda CR250s. I still haven't got the wheels done, so I've got 4 wheels to do. I've got one of the back wheels done. The other one I'm having a problem with. I'm not sure if there's something wrong with the spokes, but the guy who made the spokes for me, I'm gonna send him some pictures this morning. He's gonna have a look and let me know what he thinks. And then I've got to get these 2 front wheels done. So I'm hoping I'm not going to have too much trouble with them. I've got them laced up, and so I need to get them trued. So that means to get the rim straight in relation to the hub. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to run round every 5th spoke, and I'm going to tighten it to a certain number of threads, and then I'm going to continue that motion of running round every 5th spoke, and I'm going to just give it half a turn or 1 turn or whatever until all the spokes are of a similar tension. And then I'm going to measure the distances of the hub from the wheel truing stand and the rim to the wheel truing stand, and the width of the rim, and compare them to my notes that I took of the wheels when I took them apart. And then I'm gonna, so if the rim is too far this way, and I'm not going to try and get it bang on the measurement immediately. I'm going to slowly try and get it right. So if the rim's too far this way, then effectively the spokes on this side where it's too close need to be slackened off slightly, and I'm only talking very, very small movements. And the hubs on and the spokes on the other side, on this side, they need to be tightened up. And so it's going to be a long, slow process trying to get it right, but hopefully doing it the slowly catchy monkey way is going to work better in the long run. Okay, so all the spokes are nicely tightened now. So I've been round. It's taken about half an hour to tighten them all up. So there's a little bit of tension on each, and they've all been done equally. So when you look at the threads on the spokes, they're all pretty much bang on, exactly the same as each other. So I'm now going to go. I've measured the distance of the hub to the wheel truing stand here. I've measured the width of the rim. So this rim is 54mm, and the previous rim was 57. So there's 1.5mm on either side. So it's going to be an extra 1.5mm from the side from when I measured it originally. So I'm looking for a distance of 125mm between the stand and the rim itself. So I'm now going to go around and true it up. So get it all evened out. I'm really chuffed with that. The actual truing didn't take that long. I think that's because of the way that I'd tightened the spokes up on the way around, and it's absolutely bang on. So probably the first wheel that I did, I'm probably going to go back and redo that using this same method. So just very, very, very slowly tighten each spoke up, so you've got a very similar number of threads all the way around. Right, so that's it. So I'm going to take this wheel off. I'm going to do the other front wheel, and then I'm going to have a look at this one that I'm having a problem with, and then after that I'm going to do the very first one that I did, and then hopefully by later on this morning we'll have 4 wheels that should be ready to go in the bikes.